If you haven't seen Loanzify lately, you absolutely need to take a second look. As an LO, you know that realtors control the game. So, forming partnerships with even a few top producing agents can dramatically boost your success. You've reached out to realtors, maybe stopped by with rate sheets and donuts. But agents today want a true partner who's invested in their success. The real estate business is built on one thing: visibility. Agents who consistently post are the ones getting calls, showings, and listings. So, how can you help your realtors with social media? The answer is Loanzify. You and your realtors can create scroll-stopping video content in minutes without expensive software, a fancy studio, or even a script. Just show up, read from your screen, then share to social media, preloaded with relevant topics, conversation starters, and AI-generated scripts. You can now speak with confidence and authority, building trust in the places that matter most. Real estate marketing just got easier. Drop in a script with the property details and let the home sell itself. Impress your agents by creating stunning carousel videos and share them instantly to your network. Co-brand the app with your top agents and drive business for both of you. For home buyers, it's a payment calculator, document uploader, and a quick pre-approval tool. Realtors love the built-in milestone updates and instant access to pre-approval letters. And for both of you, the new Loanzify mobile app is a marketing powerhouse, all in the palm of your hand. Scan the QR code for a 30-day free trial and see what the all-new Loanzify app can do for you.